What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How you guys doing? Okay, happy Hum Day. Ready for another trading day. I'm excited. Let's see what the market has in store for us. We have data at 10 a.m. So there's that. Market's reacting. So we have a few minutes to do some charting because I don't trade till 9:45 anyways, or 9:40ish around there. We got about 4 minutes to chart, 10 minutes to chart. Tomorrow is where the craziness is gonna happen though. So let's go ahead and get started on some charting. Let's do some charting real quick. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour here on the Russell 2000. Russell 2000, we are at an area of resistance, so that's why price action is coming down. Support could be around right here. I'm gonna plot that. I'm gonna plot it like right here. Let's go to the 30-minute and let's zoom in onto that. So we have price coming here. We have a big wick right there. Big wick, huge reaction. We come over here, price action jumping around this area, price action's jumping. So let me go ahead and we're gonna put a rectangle to highlight it even more. This is gonna be an area of support right there. So we already have, right off the bat, I can already see price action moving the way it's wants to move. It's trading within this range. Let's see if it wants to stay in this range or break out. If we break out, we'll have another form of resistance right around here on top. Let's make another box. We can make a box like this. That'll be resistance right there. So this is the trading range. Let's zoom in on the 15-minute. 15-minute. Is there any trend lines forming? No trend lines. Maybe here. Let me go on the 30-minute. Maybe I can find some type of trend. So let me see if I can connect this pivot with this pivot. Yep, this aligns right there. So we are um okay, we are uptrending right here on this pivot. So there's multiple taps here, tap here, tap here. So if price can break here, we can plummet down pretty hard, but expect some support right here on that area. Um, Let me see. As far as can we see anything here? Yeah, probably like this. So we're wedging right now. Price action is moving tighter in this range. So okay, it matches up. We are in this range. You want me to cross post or stream in Diana's group if she's okay with that? Nah, don't worry about it, bro. Don't worry about that. I'm just gonna post it here on this Discord. I don't want to, intrude on anybody's parade. So that's fine. So we have this wedge forming. Okay, so what time is it? 9:39. Price action is vomiting. Let's go to the Dow Jones right here. Let's see what we can find on the Dow Jones. Let's go on the 1 hour. 1 hour. We're trading close to all-time highs. I don't know like if I can find anything on the 1 hour. Maybe this trend right here. Just like that. Let's go on the 30-minute. Can we find anything? No, price is very choppy up here. I can't find nothing. Um, Maybe I don't know. It'll have to be like around here. It'll have to be, all-time high again. That would be an area of resistance just like that. So we're coming on up, but it's getting some resistance up here. Let's go on the 15-minute. 15-minute. Yeah, yeah, it's right about this area. So it's a tight range right here. Any level of support? Can I find support? Um, Not really. Price is really choppy. Maybe like right here, I'm just gonna highlight that, but I mean, I don't think it's really gonna work. It's just gonna smash right through it. I'll just have it there for reference, maybe, because we have tap here, tap here, tap here, tap here, tap here, tap here, some here, some here. Maybe it'll work. Maybe I don't know yet. Okay, so let's turn on our indicators. Um, and let's see what the 5 minute is holds. So, okay, on the 5 minute, nothing happening. All right, so let's rewind on the trading range. This is the trading range for the Dow Jones right here. Um, we got resistance up here. Price is uptrending, but we are in a tight range. We come back to the Russell. On the Russell right here, this is my canvas that I painted. Where price action is hitting this pivot. It's coming up, so it's compressed on a tight range. There's an area of support right there, area of resistance right here. Let's come on the 5 minute. How does the 5 minute look? The 5 minute, we're selling off. So it's 9:42. Okay, not too bad. So right off the bat, I can already tell you that I want to place a trade. I want to place a trade on the Russell if price action comes back. Right now, all the indicators are red, 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 red. RSI below its moving average. So what I want to do, this is textbook EMA bounce right here, red, red, red. So it's going to come back down here. Most likely I'm going to see some form of support. Um, so we're going to wait. It's 9:42. We still got 15 minutes till data. So we're going to wait for price action to come back. It looks like the Russell might be doing the same thing. Let's come back to the Russell. Um, what's going on? Let's come back to the Russell. So the Russell is coming off, and look at that reaction on that. Looks, I just guessed on this level right here. I just guessed. And then look at that price reaction on that level. Okay, I see you. Look at that price reaction. Nice price reaction. Um, but I think I want to stick to the Russell though. So yeah, I kind of want to stick to the Russell. It looks a little bit nicer. We got a price bouncing back. Let's come to the 5 minute. I need price action to come back to those EMAs. I needed to come back. I needed to pull back a little bit more. It did hit the 9 EMA right there. I needed to come back more. I needed to come back more to reconfirm that strength and actually keep pushing down. That level on MYM is the 15-minute 200. Oh, really? Let me see. Dude, thank you, E. Fuck. I need to write my rules down. Okay. Shit. I need to write my rules down. Okay, I forgot to look at where the super trend is and where the 200 EMA is on the 15 and the 30 minute. I need to write this down. Okay, thank you for reminding me. So, okay, 15-minute 200, we passed that on the Russell. We come to the 30-minute. We passed that on the Russell. Okay, so we're downtrending. We are definitely downtrending right now. Okay. All right, so I just need the Russell to pull back onto its EMAs on the 5 minute and on the 2 minute, and we're gonna do the same thing. What's up, Mark? Good morning. Okay, so Dow Jones is pulling back. Russell is pulling back. Let's look at the Dow Jones. Too choppy. I don't like it. It looks like it held on that 200 on the 15, and also that area of support. If you got that big buying pressure wick, I don't like how the EMAs look, and I don't like how the candles look. They're too choppy. These EMAs, I need them more spread out, and I need to keep pointing down. This is giving me price indecision, so I don't like it. We're gonna come back to the Russell. This is more of a play that I want to take. This is more of a trend that I would like to take. I only trade the trend, and the trend has to really show its face. And on the Russell, it's really showing its face. MYM going to go up, rejected the 30-minute super trend. Got hella levels on M. Yeah, dude, look at MYM. Hella levels on MYM. So let's come to the 15-minute. Look at this right here. This right here. Look at this ridiculous amount of chop. This trading range that we're at is extremely tight. We had a clean run over here because it hit this pivot point on this trend line, so it had a nice room to breathe and come back, rejected off here, came back up, rejected off here. So now we're trading on a tight range, and I don't like it. So it's not worth it. So let's come back to the 5-minute here. The Russell is still selling off. Let's come to the 2-minute. It looks like it did touch. It touched the 90 MA right there. I could have gone on it, but I don't like. I don't really like how it did it because on the 90 MA, I mean on the 5-minute, it never reached like the 90 MA or VWAP or nothing. I need the 5 and the 2-minute to do the same thing, and I basically play the 5-minute just on the 2. Fade the Diddy trend. No Diddy. Hey Glitch, I'm gonna give your ass 1,000 bottles of baby oil. 5-minute RSI is flatter than Tay Tay. On the Dow Jones, yeah, probably. Let me see. Yes, it is. Still coming on down though. What time is it? 9:47. So we still got some time till data. Yeah, we're just gonna have to wait. We're gonna I'm expecting a bounce here and to come back up. So we're gonna wait. It's gonna take some time for this play to develop. EMA bounces is what I take. I take EMA bounces on established trends, and I go with the trend. That's all I do. I'm a one-trick pony. I got one trick, EMA bounce, and I am profitable. But that EMA bounce is getting me paid though. So that EMA bounce is getting me paid though. Look at my trade stats, 65% win rate. So profitable, profit factor, 2. So on TradeZella and hopefully on ChewieZella in the future, right, Chewy? A profit factor over 1 means you're profitable. I'm above that. So extremely proud of that. Trading progress is going wonderful. I've grown so fucking much, bro. Even though it feels like it feels like I'm not moving. It feels like I'm moving in place, but I've grown so much, dog. So much compared to what is it? September? Compared to fucking July, June, May, bro, I am light years away, bro. I'm light years away. That's pretty fucking crazy. That's why when in doubt, life is exactly like the stock market. When you're in doubt, zoom out. Just like the chart. When you're in doubt, zoom out. Look at the broader trend. So I'm extremely proud about that. I'm fucking cooking right now. So we still have a major sell-off. If it breaks support and the pivot trend, this shit might keep going down. Too far overextended for me to do anything. Let's go to the Dow Jones. Trend is developing a bit. Let's go to the 2-minute. Okay. We'll look at the Dow Jones here. It's not too overextended. Let's take a look at that 15 minutes, hitting that 200 right there. Now it's vomiting. I don't want to feel rushed. I don't want to feel rushed at all trading. I don't. Um, it did come back here and hit the 90 MA and VWAP and got rejected. So I already missed the play on this because you would have took it, either here and you would have gotten a little bit of drawdown, but your stop loss would have been up here or here and ride this trend down. But you're already hitting at the bottom of the trading range right here. You're about to hit that, so you're gonna experience some form of support right there. So looks like I missed that boat, unfortunately, and I guess we're gonna stick to the Russell. Let's come back on the 5 minute. Still selling off. Let's take a look at what MES is doing. Um, MES, that shit's ugly, bro. Ugly. I definitely would not fucking trade that. I can already, it's so crazy. You can just look at shit and be like, nah, I'm not gonna take that. Shit look fucking ugly. Not worth it. What are the Qs doing? Same thing as MES. Very fucking choppy, very fucking ugly. Um, Price is coming on up though, so it's probably gonna continue to pump up. Damn, that shit's, oh my god, that shit's nasty. Bounce here and then super trend here. Nah, it's pretty fucking wild. Let me go lie. Okay, experiencing some support there. Getting bought back up. Okay, we're still gonna wait. 9:52, 8 minutes till data. I mean, might as well fucking wait the 8 minutes, dog. It's not even worth it. Hard pass. Yeah, definitely hard pass on MES on MNQ. Hard pass. This on the Russell and the Dow Jones are way more of an established trend. So look at that big buying wick right there. Level master, baby. Level master. Price reaction is going to tell you everything that you need to know. We got a big ass candle right there because that's where support and that's where the bottom of that trend line is. Of course, it's going to find its support right here. It doesn't necessarily mean that I wouldn't go short because I will definitely go short. Because if it comes back up, I'll probably try to target the low of the day. Maybe. Maybe. Okay. 5 minute, still nothing. I need this candle to touch that. Let's go to the 30 minute. Coming down hard. Data in 6 minutes. Yep, bro. 6 minutes. It's gonna be a long time. 6 minutes feels like forever. Nice. I got 5,000 steps so far. Damn, we fucking broke through, bro. This shit's dying. Dying without me, bro. It's alright. No FOMO. That's crazy as fuck. Like back in the day, I would see price action like this. Like, oh my god, it's dying. I should jump on in this trend. Hell no. So buying pressure wick right there. Let's see if Dow Jones finds support. MES still trading disgusting, disgusting. That's why I don't like trading MES at all. I really don't. It's like my least favorite ticker. Kind of sucks ass. MNQ, told ya. I told ya. It's gonna keep on going up, and now It's trying to break that super trend level. And probably if you took that play, if you took that bounce here to break super trend, you can probably take profit like right there, somewhere around this area around here. Because you're going to find some resistance on this extension level on -27. Now, I could be wrong. I could be right. But the Fibonacci, it works amazing when there is a beautiful trend to the upside. Swing low, swing high. And you can see a price reaction happening there. Let's take a look at it. Because right here, because it looks like price action pulled back to the golden ratio, rocketed back up. So we have price popping up. It broke 2-minute super trend and it's coming on up. And let's see if I'm right. If it could experience some reaction on the -27 level or the -61 level. What's up, So Bro? Good morning, bro. Yes, sir. Look at that wick. Sensitivity on this level. Bounce off golden ratio. Broke super trend. Take profit right there. In and out, baby. In and out. Easy peasy. Check Intel. Yeah, come on, Comcast. Might be a little pullback. God damn, it broke out. Jesus, bro. That shit broke out. If only we didn't have paper hands. But I was up like what? I don't even remember how much I was up. I was up like 30% or something like that on the play, on the swing trade. Fuck it. God damn. Come on, Comcast. Don't give me limp dick. It's at 41.10 right now. That's where I bought my contract yesterday. Hopefully it can find support and keep on rallying up. I'm going to experience some form of resistance here at 141.60 on Comcast. Cause right here, the last high, it's going to see some resistance. And then 42.33 is more resistance, but I'm probably want to take profit at $42. Let's see if it can even make it there. Okay, let's go back to the Russell. Okay, let's go on the 5-minute. What time is it? 9:59. Okay, 9:59. How many seconds? 22 seconds till data. Let's see what happens. Will we get a pop back up or smash back down? We shall see. Hopefully, we get a pop back up so we can come back right around here, around VWAP and the 9 EMA, bounce off, take the trend down. Let's see. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. Okay. Here's a little bit of a pop right there. Trend is still down. The trend is your friend. Hit that 9 EMA. Let's come back to the 2 minute. Hit the 20. It's passing that whole moving average. It looks like it's about to flip green. I don't like that. So let me see here. Got a pivot point right there. Okay. This can't flip green. If it does, then I can't take it. So huge pop up. Let's see if it will come back down. Let's take a look at the YM. Five minutes. Still has not hit that 9 EMA. I wanted to hit that 9 EMA. Put an alert right there. Let's keep watching the Russell. Whoops. Okay. So we're popping up on the 5 minute. A little bit of a pop, but trend is still down. Hopefully it can hit VWAP. Let me take that out. I don't need it anymore. I already know that the golden ratio is right around there. Hopefully it can hit VWAP and we can continue down. I don't like that on the 2 minute. MACD flipped to green. That's a no-no. That is a no-no. It needs to come back to red in order for me to take a trade. Because on Monday, I decided to take a trade when the MACD flipped, even though I know I wasn't supposed to take that trade, and I ended up getting stopped out, chopped out. Why? Because I didn't follow my rules. So I learned my lesson, and now I need to follow my rules. I have to follow my rules. So we're going to keep watching on the 2 minute right here. RSI is pumping up. It wants to cross 50. MACD is still red. This one's green. Let's go look at the 5 minutes. Still red, still red. It's hitting VWAP. Let's go on the 15 minutes. Hitting VWAP. Red, red, red. So the broader trend is still to the downside. Red. So it's about to cross. Okay. We'll see if it rejects back. We'll wait patiently. Mhm. 15 minutes, 200 broke on YM. Rest of it could go lower. Let's see. Still, ooh, I think I like this. Hold on, let me see. Let me take a look real quick. Quick analysis. Broke that 200. Hitting the bottom of that trend line. Found support coming up. Got to respect that trend line. Trend works. So 5 minute, still red. Okay. 2 minute, still red. All right, let's keep watching to see if it rejects. Let's keep watching it to see if it rejects because this is still red. Because it's touching, it's trying to break the 9. the whole moving average and the 20 EMA. It broke past support a little bit, and it looks like it's hitting that. MACD is still red, still red, still red. On the 5 minutes, still red. We're gonna keep on watching it. If this crosses, then can't trade it. Just like the Russell. If it crosses, can't trade it, just like the Russell. Take a look at Comcast. Got some buying pressure up on Comcast. Okay. This is definitely going to be a waiting game. How you doing? No name, no case. How you doing, bro? I'm sorry I didn't see your comment. Nothing much, bro. We're over here just trading. Thank you for tuning in on Kick. I appreciate it. I'm sorry that it took me forever to respond. I get focused when I'm trading. So we have that MACD crossing. That's not good. Let's look at the Russell. Big MACD cross, Big MACD cross. Not good. Not good. Let's come back to the Dow Jones. Cross, cross. Not good. Okay. So the Dow Jones and the Russell are doing the exact same thing. The exact same thing. Can't trade it. MES is finally popping. Let's go to the Qs. Qs looks like it popped up past negative 27. Now it's coming on up to negative 61. And you can see that price action is stalling a bit. That's why Fibonacci's do work when they work. So that's popping back up. So it looks like we might need to change our bias. Well, I don't know, not really. I think this is still going to come to the downside because we come in the 5 minute. There's too much shit in the way. And but like I said, it could change. It can change. If price can break above super trends and above that 50 MA, now we're talking. I can probably take a position past here and maybe take profit right here at resistance or around the top of the trend line, but we'll see what happens. So on the Dow Jones, still got some shit to battle with. One of these are going to give me something. One of these are going to give me something. Because right now the Russell is very bullish. And the Dow Jones hasn't caught up yet. Yeah, yeah, the Russell fucking found some support on that area of where I showed you guys here. Oh, whoops. Look at that shit, bro. Came down, massive reaction. But it needs to break past all of these areas to even think about going long. But this shit right now, that momentum is to the upside, bro. On the 5 minute, it finally crossed I don't know. Anything can change at the flip of a dime, literally. At the flip of a dime, anything can change. Okay, I'll leave the Dow Jones up right here. And I'm watching the Russell over here. One of these motherfuckers are going to give me a trade, bro. One of these motherfuckers, bro. So we have price rejecting off the 20, coming back down to the 9, crossing that whole moving average. Still red, still red. This has to be red, though. That has to be red. So until this flips red, that's when I'll take a position. On the 5-minute, it's still very fucking red. On the 15-minute, very fucking red. So it's just a 2-minute discrepancy. The bias is to the downside. The bias is definitely to the downside. We have a hard rejection off the 20 EMA. Let's see if we can break the daily low. But this has to turn back red. It has to turn back red. Let's come to that 1-minute. Still very green. I'm watching that daily low. See if it holds it, which is also the bottom of a trend line. It's experiencing some support on that bottom of that trend line. So we'll keep watching. Looks like the Russell did the same thing. Hard rejection down, but bias is still coming on up on the 2-minute. We'll wait patiently. I will hit my shot. Watch 257 on MNQ big daily leveler. We're going to blast above it. Maybe. Let me take a look. You said 2057? You're close, bro. You're very close. You're very close. Okay. Let's come back to that 1-minute. Still green. Okay, now we're breaking past that low. Let me see. What can I? Okay. I am gonna take a trade here. Oh shit. No, hold on. Oh, I forgot to log in. 1 second here. Okay. I'm logged in. So I'm gonna put my stop loss around the 20 EMA. So I'm putting my stop loss at the 20 EMA. Okay. Let's see if we can come on down. All right. I'm shooting my shot, guys. Okay. So basically, the theory is I'm entering on the EMA bounce. We have a hard EMA bounce here. I waited for the MACD to switch to red. On the 5-minute, we're still very bearish right here. Very bearish on the 5-minute. We broke past the trend. On the 15-minute, we're below the 200. We're coming on down. So let's see if hopefully it doesn't experience some form of support right here. Stop loss around 20 AMA. And we're going to target down. There's a Fibonacci area right here, negative 27. Possibly I can target that. Possibly. Let's see what we got. Give me that blue steel when concentrate. No deal. No diddy. Hey, so maybe bring out the baby oil. I'll oil you right up, bro. Okay, let's see what we got. Ah, it flipped to green. I don't like that, bro. Fuck. Put my stop loss down right there. I don't like that right here. It's flipping back to green. I don't like that. That's bad. So I tightened my stop loss right there. Let's see if we're gonna go down. Yeah, you need to be hyper aware of your surroundings, because if I'm playing that 2-minute and that 2 minute turns to green, right there, ooh, I don't like that. I don't like that. Let me move my stop loss down. When a play is not going your way, tighten up that risk, baby. Tighten up that risk. Okay, still watching. Tight stop at the 20 MA. That MACD it's flipping green. It's like flickering. It's flickering. If it prints another green, I'm gonna put my stop loss even further down. Looks like it touched that 90 MA and the whole moving average got rejected a bit. Okay, we have a little bit of selling right now. See if we can break that low. We're coming down. Let's move that stop loss a little bit down right there. Halfway around that 9 EMA. Do we have a negative risk to reward ratio right here? 0.31, 0.97. That's a 1.13 right there. Okay. Coming down a bit. So move my stop a little bit down. What do we got here? What's that risk? That's basically a 1.5 right there. Okay. So MACD flipped back to red. All right, we're playing this tight right here. Playing it tight right there. Can we come down to my TP? Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on, bro. One trick pony. EMA bounce, baby. Take profit. Negative 27 on the Fibonacci area. Negative 27 on the Fibonacci area. Take profit right there. Price action. You make a Fibonacci at the swing high, swing low. Price came, rejected off the 20 EMA, which is the 30.35% on the Fib level. Come back down. Extension level, negative 27. You're going to experience some form of resistance on extension levels, which negative 27, negative 6.18. I'm going to use that negative 27 as a take profit. Beautiful, wonderful, beautiful, wonderful. That's it. That's my trading day, baby. That's my trading day. Nice, bro. What did I make? Like 110? Yep, just about that. Just about that. The price is still vomiting down, but that's okay, bro. I got 1.5. 1.5 risk to reward. What more do I want? What more do I want? Okay, let's take a look at M&Q. Did it finally break that level? It did. 2057, a little bit. A little bit. Let's go back to the Russell. Did it finally die down? It did. Huge candle, but choppiness on the way down. So the Dow Jones gave me my play. Well, choppiness, why? This is how you can identify chop. Look at the 2-minute. Look at the 5-minute. 5 minutes still coming down. Micro trend MACD coming down. Broader trend MACD coming down. You go to the 2-minute. MACD coming up, and you're going to see this choppy price action right here, back and forth. Two conflicting time frames is going to give you some chop. It's one way to experience chop. So this Russell play is something that I would not take because this did not flip back to red. The reason I took the Dow Jones play is because it went from green, flipped to red, took the play down. This was red, that turned red, RSI's down, 5-minute, very red, very red, 15-minute, broader trend, very red, very red. We're just aligning the indicators. Aligning indicators for success. That's how you do it. Another successful trading day. Fuck yeah. All right. I am a skedaddle out of here. Peace out, guys. Hope you enjoyed the show. I definitely performed for you guys once again. Thank you so much. See you guys next.